with Ukraine destroying a record number of Russian artillery, pushing further behind Russia's defensive lines with strikes, weakening their position. Even when not in use, Ukraine locate and destroy their artillery, as seen here, with the Msta-S catching fire after a drone strike. With a larger amount of ammunition stored inside the system, suddenly all explodes, obliterating both the artillery and ammunition, destroying another of Russia's self-propelled artillery, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.